The title of this story is Good Night, America. It is by Adam Gamble and Shawin Chan. Good morning, Atlantic Ocean, whales, and beach. Are we ready to share a wonderful day? Hello, Statue of Liberty, standing tall for what is right. Happy spring, Washington, D.C., our nation's capital. There is the U.S. Capitol and the Washington Monument. Oh, and there's the Supreme Court. There's the White House. Greetings, Everglades, home to alligators and so many other creatures. Good afternoon, Niagara Falls, thundering day and night. Is that a rainbow in the mist? Good afternoon, Mississippi River, flowing through the middle of our country. Wow! See the Grand Canyon carved into the land by the Colorado River. Howdy, hot, dry desert lands. Howdy, rattlesnake. That cactus is pretty, but it's awfully prickly. Aloha, tropical islands. Isn't it fun playing on the beach? Good afternoon, farmers. Good afternoon, amber waves of grain. Greetings, noble old redwood tree, older even than our country. Greetings, wild woods, grizzly bear, and mountain lion. Good evening, Golden Gate Bridge. Sleep well, sea lions, resting on the shore of the Pacific Ocean. Glitter bright, city lights. Have a nice night. Good night, herd of handsome buffalo out on the great prairie. Sleep tight, cows and horses, cowgirls and cowboys. Live free, brave bald eagle family. Stay warm together in your nest tonight. Reach for your dreams, astronauts exploring outer space. Good night, America. Thank you for sharing a wonderful day. The end.